What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It is the Pizza Guy John. As you can tell by the title of the video, we are doing an unboxing and first cook in the Gozney Roccbox. This is the Tom Gozney Signature Edition Roccbox. So again, it is going to be all black edition here. First impressions right out of the box, which is really impressive, is that it does come with a pizza peel. This is a really good quality pizza peel. It does have the holes there, so you can go ahead and any flour semolina does come off. Here's a card about Tom Gozney, so if you want to take a read of that. And again, here is the peel. Little heavy, but again, it is real quality product. Short handle there. Does come with the user manual, so again it will give you instructions on how to get it started for the first time, which again you want to make sure you do follow that. If you never made pizza, then of course it does have a recipe book here with a recipe, but you can also take a look at my channel, which I'll link above. I have some pizza dough recipes, easy to follow as well. It does come with a 5-year warranty, and if you want to pause the screen here, it goes over how well built this oven is. And like I mentioned, this is the gas, so this is the gas attachment. It does come in wood as well, and here you can see that it does come packaged really well. It does have a carrying case, so again, this is a portable oven, can be taken basically anywhere. So it does have 2 legs in the back and 1 in the front that are very durable. And again, the gas attachment does go underneath the oven. It has a gauge on the side that reads Celsius and Fahrenheit. Silicone black body. Again, here is the branding. Again, the Tom Gozney Signature Edition. Preheat takes around 45 minutes, but again, it does have a thicker stone, so it will stay hot for a real long time. Here's the first pizza. Within about a minute or so, you have your first pizza out of the oven. Something you like, take a look at my channel. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.